This is my Mercedes 190E, and these are some mystery lowering springs that I bought off eBay, but we don't know the depth that it's going to lower it by. But we're going to fit them today and see how low she gets. Let's get it. Just got the car up and this damper's looking a bit tired and old, so we'll get that replaced too. We've got a fresh one here, ready to go on, and then we'll get back to tackling these springs. Damper, we'll loosen this bulb. Loosen the bulb just in there. You can probably see WD-40 from there here. And then it's just that nut there, easy job. And then just release it from the strut mount on the top. Allen key in the top, wrench on the bottom. Out with the old, in with the new, labosh. That's the new damper on. We'll get the spring done next, labosh. Right, so just a quick one on this with these spring clamps. These are the sort of standard ones that you would use, but these don't really go over the coil because of the diameter of the coil on the Mercs. So sack them off altogether, pay the 56 quid and get this kit off at Amazon. And they literally just slide in and bosh, bosh. And then that tube will go in the centre and tighten it up. Otherwise you're going to end up absolutely killing yourself with them boys. So top plate as far as it'll go, bottom plate as low as it'll go, and then we'll put the 19mm socket in just underneath. Do that all there. So that's the spring there, just took the rubber off. That's compressed all the way. Come out the hole, so I'm just going to give that a quick little brush down as well, get all that crap out. And then we'll get the new spring in. Bosh. So now, moment of truth. We'll get to see how much we're lowering her by. Oh, quite the way. Jesus. Get the tape on that. So there we have it. Fresh damper and a coil spring. Bosh. Right, we're going to let the jack off and see where she ends. Let's have a laugh. That's that miles nicer. Tyres, 3 fingers, probably call it 2 fingers. Now on the other side that we haven't lowered yet, we're talking 4 fingers. Beautiful. So we'll get this side done now. Yeah. Beautiful. Let that settle. Obviously I'm not a mechanic at all, I've got no mechanical experience, so this is obviously just a good little starter project car. Get into it. Right, so we're moving the rear spring now. I've managed to get the car jacked up on a bit of the subframe there, and we're loosening this bolt here, but first we need to just take these 2 little bolts out here to take this cover off so we can get access. Big man Allen key and the persuader, hammered the bolt out. Just gonna let the suspension put this out now, and the spring should come loose. So just get that out. What you want to do is sort of push it from this direction in over while pulling down on this little doobie. Labosh. Same again, there's your new versus old. Beautiful. Slowly jack this back up now, making sure that the tab is aligned in there. I think it is. Right, so I just used the jack underneath here, jacked it up so it'll line leveled that, then managed to just get the bolt through, tapped it through with a gentle persuader, and then yeah, tighten up. Coils in, bosh. Let's move on the other side. Right, so here we go, off the jack. Rear's lowered. Beautiful. Sat a lot better that. I think that really looks a bit high still, man. last corner, phone's gonna die, so I'll catch you in the morning when it's on the ground. She's sitting nice and low now. Next up we're gonna tackle, I think, is the dirty old manifold.
Let love flow on, baby. Let love be free. I reach for you, honey. You reach for me. We'll do the things together only lovers do. Let love flow on, baby. We'll do the things together only lovers do. Let love flow on, baby. Getting into each other, yes, we'll unite. And we'll let love's vibrations lead us right. We'll do the things together only lovers do. Let love flow on, baby. We'll do the things together only lovers do.
And then I've just pulled all the coil plugs out,
baby.
just so I can get access to the manifold here. Just quickly filled the spark plug holes. All I'm trying to do is just agitate the surface, just to take the surface rust off.
Holding and touching, honey, let's get it on. And make a pretty baby, that isn't wrong. Let's do the things together only lovers do. Let love flow on, baby.
Right, so I've been told this graphite grease, I'll put it on the screen in the link in the description anyway. You spray this onto a bit of paper and literally just rub it on straight on the manifold and it'll come up. It's an old hot rodders trick. It's absolutely brand new to me, it's just something I've seen on the forums, so we'll give it a whirl. Got the small bit of dry graphite grease here. I've already had a little go but the camera's off, so you can see it when it puts on. Just gives it that nice little grey look again. Well, it's a bit of a night and day difference. Put the coils back in.
Let's do the things together only lovers do. Let love flow on, baby. Let's do the things together only lovers do. Let love flow on, baby.
Now, obviously the rest of the rocker cover is due to come off. I've got a rocker gasket, I just need to get an oil cap gasket because I think that's getting quite leaky as well. I want to get that off. Quick little bit of paint stripper on it, probably not going to need much to be honest at all, literally flaking away the old paint and then we'll get that painted up as well. Probably going to leave these lines and hopefully the Mercedes badge in silver if I can. We shall see, that'll be on another video in the future. But to wrap this one up, we're going to tackle another small little issue I've been having in here. So the next issue that I've got is on the dash. The fact that my fuel gauge is not working at all, but the light is on, so I don't know if it's the fuse. We'll quickly check the fuse, and then if not, I have a fresh fuel sender to replace that. 100k on the clock. Instrument cluster number 9. So let's check number 9 fuse. It's a bit difficult to see, but there's the number 9. There's not a crack in it, I don't believe. So that's what we're going for. So to get this off, get some wide clamp grips or a decent sized wrench. First of all, you just want to pull this plug off, get that out of the way, and then you can see the top of the old sender unit that we're going to replace now. That's off. And then this sender apparently just comes straight out. Oh, grief, yep. Well, that's clearly why that one's not working. That means that that's in the tank. fuel tank, very bad. Right, I'm just gonna have a little look with this inspector and probably see the fuel pump sender. Yep, as I said, that was that there, floating about. Try the new fuel sender in, even though we know that there is an old one dangling about in there. I need to get the tank removed at some point, probably ASAP to be quite frank. I'll tighten that back up. As tight as I want to go on that, we'll plug the connector back on. No, it's not. That's it there. Beautiful. Right, let's go see inside. Right, so we're back in the car now. We'll see if the fuel gauge lights up. Well, the gauge light up. Have we got fuel? Yeah. So, we've overcome one issue, but we have a bigger issue. I need to now strip the tank, try and get that old sender unit out. Well, we're quite minimal fuel there anyway, so easily drainable. Oh, well, stay tuned for more updates. Like and subscribe if you're wanting more updates on the Merc. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Peace.
We'll do the things together only lovers do.
I'm going to put back in the new fuel sender. I've just put it, I've just got petrol everywhere.